Welcome back. So we are in Bremerton and we got kind of a leftover awesome sunset and a fog bank at the same time. Pretty neat. Wow. It's 54 degrees. I don't know where this fog came from. I mean, that is thick. That's one thing I like about the South. You get some nice fog when you get the cold fronts coming through. Oh my gosh, Mount Rainier is shining. I don't know if the camera picked it up. That will be awesome. Wow, and that's it for the fog. So when we get to the top of this hill, we should see Mount Rainier. Wow. I really hope the camera got that straight in front of us. That is neat. So the south side is sunny and the north side is dark. I better slow down. This is Bremerton to Port Orchard. And I was hoping this traffic would be gone because it's 4:40. I thought it started at like 3. I thought it was only because the Navy changing shifts, but maybe not. That was over an hour ago. Unless they stagger, you know. Not all the commands change shift at the same time. This is not going to be good. Well, this is a traffic jam in Bremerton, in case you ever wanted to know. We got them. Wow, the Ford dealership is empty. They have no cars. I heard a rumor that this shortage could last another 2 years, this chip shortage. So supposedly, there's a manufacturing plant in Denmark, maybe, I want to say. And they had a fire. And it makes the components for the factories that make the chips. So I hope that's not true. If it is, depending on what was damaged, this could go on for 2 more years. If not, hopefully it will be over in a year. Well, this isn't too bad. Traffic is moving at 20 miles per hour. Sometimes you're going 5. Wow, this fog is really neat over the water. Oh, that is beautiful. Camera's picking it up. is that legal? It has a busted back window, so you put a black something up, you can't see out the back of your car. Usually this lane speeds up by now. Wow, I kind of want to take the back road through Port Orchard. Fog would be really neat. I think I need to do that. The sky to the east is pink. I just got to get over somehow. I got a mile yet before I have to get over. There we go. This drive really made me excited about spring, getting out. It's been so long since I've done a drive like this. No, it's actually only been like 3 weeks. I can't remember when we went. Yeah, I think it's been 3 weeks since I went to Snohomish. It was right around Christmas time. But that was a very rainy day. Oh, come on, people. I need to get this filmed before the sun goes down. Oh, that is neat. Between the clouds and the fog, oh my gosh. I hope this turns out on in the video. Unmarked copper over there. They are out. This is Gorst. Not much in Gorst, except a bunch of businesses. Oh yeah, we still got this guy. Awesome. This should be neat. It should reflect off the water, I hope. Expect to get the sky looking like this on the way home. So if we can get the pink sky and the fog over the water, that will be incredible shot. Just missed it by a minute or two. It's gonna be close. It's gonna be real close. One more stretch where we'll be facing the water. This next corner when we start going left. Oh, that bar back there is open. I was afraid the guy had closed it. He's old. It's really fun. He has good food. This is Port Orchard. Wow, that is incredible sky. Pink clouds. Oh my gosh, and here's a Port Orchard traffic jam. Never sat way back here before. So they're redeveloping this area. They're going to tear down the 7-Eleven, the Kitsap Bank, and all this empty lot. I'm going to start filming it when they start doing the construction. It'd be neat if I could film them demolishing the bank. If I could figure out the day they're doing it. And here's downtown Port Orchard. Oh, they got the Christmas lights off. So neat. I wish they would leave like lights up year round. You know, maybe not Christmas lights, but they should get some festive lights. Really makes the area look nicer. Yeah, I've never seen this much traffic going this way. This is like worse than Tremont Street or Sedgwick. Oh, that's not bad. I thought we'd sit through this light again. Thai Charlie's. I love that place. That's one of the first places we ate when we moved here. Actually, when we were looking for houses, we ate there with our realtor. I think it was the second place we ever ate at. The first place was, I can't remember the name, but I really liked it. It's a microbrew place with really good food on Main Street. I was gonna go left to see the water more, but there's too many cars, so we will go straight. We'll end this at the Walmart intersection. I like filming in dusk like this. Wow, that coffee shop is looking nice. I'm not sure they have an inside place to it though, which is weird. It's like a copycat Dutch Brothers, I think. That's too bad. And here's our bowling alley straight ahead. One of only two in the county, I think I read. High Joy Bowl. They survived COVID, so I was really happy about that. We have never went there. I need to go there sometime. And right to the right here, this lot finally sold. Or no, it did. So I'm curious as to what they're building there. 2 lots that are sold. And then right here they're building something. I have no idea what. So Port Orchard is going to start booming, I think, the next year or two. Fast ferry's running. Once COVID's over, people will start going to, into the office again. Well, that was Silverdale to Port Orchard, so we're going to end this video, and hope you enjoyed today. I think it'll turn out pretty good, but thanks for watching.